Hello everyone, my name is Keith and welcome to another video of the technology playlist. Today we're going to be replacing our current iPad 5th generation with an iPad Pro 12.9 inch 6th generation and an Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So yes, this is actually very cool. So yes, this is the iPad Pro. Let's open the wrapper. We also got a little of engraving at the back. Apple stickers in white, which is not the Pro version like how you get in MacBooks, but you can take the handle of this. And then also you get this 20-watt USB-C cable adapter. And then we have a braided cable. We have the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. It was released with the iPad Pro 3rd generation in 2018. The pencil, which feels very light actually. You get another peel. We will set these things up now. So the iPad Pro that I got for 512 gigabytes and 12.9 inch costed about 1,42,900 rupees, and the Apple Pencil costed about 11,900. So now we're going to set up this thing. So yes, we got the quick start menu. Let's select a country and region and the language also. So now we have to enable quick start. So yes, let me unlock this iPad. So now I have to enable Face ID. So yes, it gives two Face ID. So now I'm continuing. So I'm transferring not through iCloud, but I'll transfer through iPad. This will also transfer my iCloud guarantees. Okay, so they're giving terms and conditions. So yes, it's telling me it's going to transfer apps and data and also the settings. We can customize this later. But yeah, let's continue. This is the correct one. So it'll get all the security updates and all that. So we can set up Siri later because so it gives the new update of iPad OS 16.3.1. So now all my apps and data are getting installed over here. It will take some time. So until then, let's try setting up this. So yes, it will give this startup animation. So yes, now quickly let's discuss the features. So yes, one of the main things it's that nothing that unusual. It's kind of like the same thing as last iPad Pro 2021. Only thing you can see major difference over here is that it's written iPad Pro on the back. That's the only major difference we can see from the outside. But what's inside is something different. So yes, this time you can record ProRes footage on your iPad, but it's not like how you record on your iPhone. So if I go to settings and choose video formats, there's no ProRes option. So instead we have to use third-party apps, which are like Filmic Pro, which support them. Another good thing is that it comes with Apple Pencil Hover. So you can see if you can bring it closer once. I can see what type of drawing I'm going to do. Look, you can see the noise brush over here showing up, and then yes, draw with it. Let's see. You can might see it, but let's just keep it over here. So let's see, you can see this also. Let's keep this brush. So let's say I want to choose a different color. If I hover my pencil over it, it will show what blending mode will be, which is one of the best things to see. So let's go out now. So yes, let's talk about a few iOS 16 features. So yes, this comes with iOS 16.3.1, which I unlocked. So yes, you get the same transparent background feature where you can move, which is actually good. You can also copy text over here and translate it. And also a major hit for only M-chip iPads like the iPad Air 5th generation, iPad Pro 2021 and 2022 is that you get a new way of multitasking. Instead of using split view, you can turn on Stage Manager. Let's turn on Stage Manager. Let's bring up photos, and you can also multitask in such way where you don't have to think about it. It just happens automatically. So yes, that is one of the best things. And yes, it comes with the same thing as last year. You get still the same center stage over here. So yes, it'll detect wherever your face is turning, and then it'll move it over to there. So yes guys, if you loved the video, please like and subscribe. And now I'm using my iPad Pro's 12 megapixel center stage camera, which supports up to HD 60 frames per second. So yes, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget that every Saturday or Wednesday we're uploading videos. So don't forget to tune in. See you later. If you want to see the technology playlist, it's over here. Or if you want to see my iPhone unboxing, which consisted of the AirPods Pro and the 14 Pro Max, that video's here. And I'll see you later.